Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ham and cheese quiche. First, let's get our crust ready. Place a 9-inch pie crust into your pie plate. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, dice 1 cup of cooked ham into small, even pieces. This ensures the ham is distributed perfectly throughout your quiche. We're off to a great start. Now, let's create the creamy, flavorful filling for our quiche. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream until well combined. Then, season the mixture with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Finally, stir in 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, such as Gruyere or sharp cheddar, for that perfect cheesy goodness. It's time to assemble our quiche. Evenly sprinkle the diced ham and the remaining shredded cheese into the prepared pie crust. Make sure it's spread out nicely. Carefully pour the egg mixture over the ham and cheese, ensuring it fills the crust evenly. Place the quiche in your preheated oven and bake for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the center is set. Your delicious ham and cheese quiche is ready. Before slicing, let it cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes. This allows the filling to set properly, making for cleaner slices. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. Serve your warm quiche for a delightful breakfast, brunch, or light dinner. Enjoy every savory bite of your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.